G'day everyone, it's Alex and
Ruben!
on Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a very Merry Christmas, Sretan Božić and Feliz Navidad.
You're covering all your bases there, Alex.
I am.
We've got a delivery from the Scottsdale Mint. I'm kind of making them synonymous with Christmas. They do a yearly release of a bunch of different products, and we get a selection through of them every single year.
Yes, we do, and might I add, very, very cool boxes.
Very cool.
Very cool.
I don't know if it's a full replacement for a proper plastic monster box, but
you know what? It's good
nice.
enough for me.
Yeah.
All right, we'll start off with a Merry Christmas indeed. These beautiful Christmas rounds, coloured rounds, and one of my favourite things on this is you can hang them on a real Christmas tree.
Little ornaments there, so you can slip something through them, some little string or something like that. Very cool.
Very, very cool, yes indeed. So that's the first of the four that we've got. And then I'm going to go with my favourite, I believe is in this one, as I can see, yes. Oh, holy night. Now in a different shape, but look at these beauties.
Oof. Very nice. A bit of a minimalist take on the nativity scene there, but a really nice like glow at the bottom, and that's something I remember from their last year's ones. They had some really cool kind of warmth to them. Yeah, it was quite a favourite, that bar last year. But what it didn't have is this, so you couldn't pop it up on a tree or anywhere else where you want to hang it. Yeah. So these ones are Christmas tree friendly. And here we go, Santa's Workshop. This is probably one of the favourites around the office. What do you think, Rubes? Keeping on from that warmth thing that I mentioned earlier, I think that carries over to this one as well. You've got Santa there, obviously making some toys, but yeah, the warmth of that flame, I think, really shines through.
Yeah, a bit of eggnog, I think.
Yeah, he's got to pull an all-nighter, mate. Some long hours ahead of him.
You get a bit of hand sometimes. All right, and last but certainly not least.
Oh, these ones scare me. Every time we get a product like this that has a specific, let me start that again. A specific event on it, but then also a date. Yeah, I get a little bit nervous, but they are very, very cool.
They are lighting the tree.
Yeah, you got the northern lights there to provide some really cool background, and again, a very kind of warm tree there.
It is, and here we go. I just did a Michael.
You got to fill in for him. I was going to say thank you for stepping in for him. I think it was something to do with not wanting to dress up as Santa again this year or something like that. So I appreciate you coming through and putting the hat on.
Absolutely, happy to help. So this is the selection this year. We doubled the offering of last. Actually, we had one more. That was a non-coloured variant, but that just flew out.
Yeah, some keen observers of the website might have seen the snowflake one come and go. Yep. But yeah, a very cool other one as well. But these ones a little bit different, less of the classic, just straight bullion. They've obviously done some nice print work on them and some colour. And yeah, available now, links in the description.
While stocks last.
Very much so. We'll probably have some other Christmas content coming. Don't know what other products we'll have. So yeah, your guess is as good as mine. We will wait and see. But yeah, I expect the studio and some of the other videos, live streams will transform a little bit for Christmas.
Absolutely. Thank you, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you grabbed a bargain, and let us know what you think in the comments about these. Is this something you like? Is this something you decorate your trees with, or something to add to the stack?
Perfect. All right. Thanks very much, Alex. See you next time.
See ya.